What is critical legal theory? Have you ever wondered how the law interacts with society and power? Today, we are going to explore critical legal theory, a fascinating movement in legal scholarship. This theory emerged in the United States during the 1970s and challenges the traditional views of law. It argues that law is not neutral or objective but is closely linked to social, political, and economic power structures. Critical legal theory suggests that legal rules and doctrines often serve to maintain existing hierarchies and biases. For example, laws can favor dominant groups, such as wealthy individuals or certain racial and gender identities. This perspective reveals that legal outcomes are not always clear-cut but can be influenced by underlying power relations. At its core, critical legal theory emphasizes that law is shaped by social and political forces rather than being a fixed set of principles. It highlights how laws can perpetuate inequality by codifying societal biases and obscuring the true interests behind legal decisions. One of the main goals of critical legal studies is to show that legal doctrines can be indeterminate. This means that laws that appear neutral can lead to biased outcomes. The theory also aims to reveal the historical, social, economic, and psychological impacts of legal decisions. By demystifying legal analysis and culture, it encourages transparency and socially responsible engagement with the law. Critical legal theory draws on ideas from various fields, including Marxism and postmodernism, to critique the law's role in social injustice. It emphasizes the importance of understanding legal texts and decisions within their broader social, political, and cultural contexts. This approach helps law students question the assumptions behind legal reasoning patterns. In law school, students are encouraged to analyze how law functions in society and whose interests it serves. This critical perspective can be applied to evaluate legal doctrines, interpret statutes, and understand the broader implications of legal rules. Studying critical legal theory helps students develop essential skills. They learn to recognize the influence of power and ideology in legal reasoning. They also become adept at assessing legal arguments for hidden biases and understanding how law shapes social relations. Ultimately, this theory promotes a commitment to social justice and reform in legal practice. It offers a framework for viewing law as a dynamic institution that reflects and shapes power relations in society. By engaging with critical legal theory, law students can better navigate the complexities of legal texts and contribute to a more equitable legal system.